Qingdao Jutrui Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional engaged in the research, development, design, manufacturing, sales, installation and after-sales service of our water purification system, integrated sewage treatment plant, chlorine dioxide generator, polymer dosing device, deodorization equipment, water plant control cabinet, smart water affairs platform, widely used in tap water, secondary water supply, swimming pool water and food processing water disinfection treatment, industrial, municipal, chemical, medical and hospital wastewater treatment. We are located in Qingdao, enjoying beautiful environment and convenient transportation, only 30 km away from Qingdao Port, with a modern environmental intelligent manufacturing base. Jutrui covers an area of 13,250 square meters. Striving hard to improve the quality of human life is the mission of Jutrui. We implement group management and have a professional talent team, advanced technology, refined production process, and high-quality products to provide customers with reliable, high-quality, and satisfactory service. With our own facility, we can work on your ODM, OEM projects. We have a comprehensive management system, owning ISO quality, ISO environment, ISO occupational health certificates. As an innovative enterprise, we have acquired 25 patents and copyrights of computer software. Selling well in China, our products are also exported to Asia, Africa, and Latin America. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to visit our company, and are glad to work with you and finally bring you the satisfied products, creating a bright future together.